Alright, this is a sourcing video. I call this the Gambler, and I'm going to explain to you why. Yeah, I got Harry Humstone live streaming on the big screen. So I went to Salvation Army today and Goodwill. Not a home run, nothing too crazy, but let's go over the Salvation Army first. Actually, that's Goodwill. So let's go over Goodwill first. I got this Nightmare Before Christmas soup bowl handled. Paid $4 for it. I'm going to put comps on the screen, either photos or video. Some of it is asking price, some of it is sold. I obviously prefer sold, but sometimes there's no solds. So this is a big one. This is really huge. $4, no damage anywhere on it. It's pretty sweet. Next one is this set of plates. $4 for 7 plates. If I did the math right, that's 57 cents a piece. And it is Brandon House. Sakura is a popular name. 1998, Spirit of the Flag. So they're different, and there's some multiples. So what I'll do is I'll lot together anything that's different. So if there's 4 or 5 that are different, I'll put them together. The rest I'll list individually as replacements. So not too shabby. So going over to Salvation Army. This is over by the cassettes. This is a sealed VHS-C. This is digital tape for camcorders. Not bad. I got some of these up on my eBay store already. These do sell pretty good. So next at Salvation Army are these Starbucks cups. Now this can be tricky. Obviously brand new is better. If you've got the original box, you can get about double. These are all used. This is a Chicago. These are collector cups, 2009. Not bad condition. They do need to be cleaned up. I'm going to put comps on the screen for these. These are 16 ounces. You definitely, if you can find them new, they're definitely worth picking up. I paid $4 a piece, which isn't bad. I prefer much cheaper, obviously. Garage sales, flea markets, you can get these for about $1. So I did pay up. This is the big question too. Do you lot these together, all 3 of them, and do you sell them individually? If they were all the same year, I would probably lot them all together. But because they're all separate years, 2009, 2012, and 2015, I'm tempted to list them individually. This Beijing one is actually worth the most. So now the home run weird. I call this the gamble. This is a game sealed in the package. These are $4. This is a card game, like a deck stacking board game, card game. I don't know. It's called Dead Apocalypse. Not super famous, but they had 15 of these sealed in the package for $4 a piece. Now that could be good or that could be bad. I took a chance and I bought 3 of them, and I'm going to put comps on the screen. There are no solds. These are kind of hard to come by. There's glare on the screen. So if you're not familiar, a lot of gamers, they like playing these card games, deck games, board games. Company name there. So yeah, prices are all over the place. I did not buy all of them. I'm going to list these individually. If it sells like hotcakes, I'll go back and try to buy more. But because it's so weird and I've never heard of it, it's not a PC game. It's a card game. And yeah, it's a gamble. This could be worthless. I could have wasted $12 on these 3. Or they could be worth gold. I have no idea. So we're going to find out together. Definitely do a what sold on eBay video when this stuff sells. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm going to do a follow-up video and let you know what all this stuff sells for. See you next time.